19 SEMA show with JMC equipment in the Ben Pack booth, showing off our Quickjack. Quickjack comes in a few different models, 3,500 pound capacity, 5,000 pound capacity, and a 7,000 pound capacity. This is going to be for the home hobbyist or even the guys that need an extra lift in their bay. They don't want to turn down business and they want to make sure they can still do an oil change or swap some tires. And they don't have any space for a lift. They'll easily be able to pull this off the wall with the wall hangers we have with this kit. And you'll be able to use this lift on pretty much any vehicle with a clearance of about 3.5 to 4 inches. So this is really easy to use and really functional when it comes to working on your cars in home or outside the shop. But again, you just don't have that space. You don't want to turn down clients, so you pull the Quickjack off the shelf and you're able to lift the car and do basic service needs. You can find us at jmcequipment.com.